Hi, this is James, and I am excited to let you know of the launch of Analytics Tiger on September 25th at 10 a.m. Eastern. Now, what is Analytics Tiger? Well, as the name says, it is an analytics tool, and you would need it if you have a website, any type of website. I got a quick demo and a review of the sales page coming up. Subscribe, click the bell icon, select all notifications so that all future videos like these that I create that are going to boost your business, you will receive them. And check out the link below to discover the bonuses that come your way when you pick up Analytics Tiger through my link. So let's head on over and have a look at the demo and review of the sales page.
Do a quick demo of AnalyticsTiger web app. Now, the first time you log into the app, you will come across this dashboard area, which will obviously be empty. So you need to first add your website from the websites tab down below. Just click on add website, choose whatever name you want, add your website. If you want all the features, click on advanced and turn on all the buttons and click submit. Now I won't do that because I already have added my websites. So after you have added website, you just click on tracking code, copy the pixel code right down, and just paste it on the head section of your website. So for example, in the ClickFunnels, you can do that under the settings tab of the funnel and just paste it. That's all you need to do. Now once you have added your website and it's active, you can start availing all the features of the app. Now the first I will just show you how the heat maps look. So let's see what they look on this website URL that I have added from this button, create heat map. So we can see what where the visitors have clicked and how they are behaving on the website. So we can see that most people aren't coming down on the web page. So I know that if I want to increase my conversions, I need to make the lower part of the app page more enticing. So also you can view the heat maps on the tablets and the mobile, and how so you can see people how they behaved on the mobile, where they clicked on the mobile on their mobile phones. Now next we come onto the session replays tab. We can see we can see the video replays of your websites. For example, let's see what this visitor did, uh, how they how their video got captured on the app. So let's see. Let's fast track that to the 8x. We can see that now they're clicking on the button and they are being redirected to the Warrior Plus checkout, and after the checkout they are redirected to the upsell page. So it's getting tracked automatically, so we can see every single detail of what the visitor did on the website. Next we come to the visitors tab. We can see where the visitors, every single detail of the visitor, where they came from, what windows, what operating system they operate, and when last were they active. And also we can see how much time an average visitor spends on our website. So we know if it's slow, we know that we have to improve that. Next we come to the real time. If you have any real time visitors on your website, you can see from right from this tab. From goals, you can track every single detail of your main events on your website. So for example, you can track leads, you can track button clicks, you can track form submissions. This is very vital if you are doing any form of paid advertising, because you can accurately track anything. So for example, I track lead capture. So anyone who comes to the website, my website, and hits on this upsell page, I know that the lead has been captured, and it shows right down here how many conversions I got. And of course, from the main dashboard tab, you can see every single detail on the in the time horizon that I mentioned. You can see what pages they are hitting on the website, from where they belong to, from where they are coming from, which countries, which devices, operating system, browsers, so on. So that's all the features. Of course, you can get very granular with the details. You can filter down. For example, if I want to see only the visitors that came from the web browser Google, I can do that as well. And of course, you can export your data to CSV and PDF for further analyzation. If you have multiple websites added on the app, you can click from here and choose whatever website you just want to see and analyze all the features. Thank you for your for watching this video. We will have more training and usage videos in the members area. Thanks a lot.
Okay, we are on the sales page of AnalyticsTiger, and let's go through some of the features that we can pick out that has not been mentioned in the demo. So if you have used any type of heat map before, or to determine until where you're on your website that your visitors scroll, this is the tool that you can use. If you are familiar with Hotjar, then this is the Hotjar alternative that you have been waiting for, where you only pay a one-time fee. Truly, it is a one-time fee. If you have been on Hotjar, if you have used it, you know that it is a monthly plan. So let's go through what else we can find out about Hotjar. So the launch price is only $47, one-time fee when you get it during the launch period. And when you compare with the popular heat maps out there, this is a substantial savings. If it is Hotjar, if you're comparing to, is $39 to about $1,900 a month. That's your savings, which will add up to quite a bit over a year and definitely over a 12-month or even a 5-year period. It's the same with Mouseflow as well as InspectLect. So with AnalyticsTiger, you get unlimited heat maps, you get unlimited visitors session recordings, you can track real-time visitors indefinitely, you track unlimited conversion goals. And if you are not familiar on how to use this, if you have never used heat maps before, these are some of the ways that you can use it to test A/B splits while you're designing a website. If you want to test if your above the fold is working effectively, identifying if content needs to be added, edited, removed, enhance engagement with your videos, screen resolution optimization, navigation refinements, comparing visitors, clicking images versus buttons versus text links, give decision makers real data of what works and what doesn't. So if you're a reseller of information, this is a way for you to use this tool. For before and after case studies, how specific user segments engage with your landing pages, and to confirm site security and potential vulnerabilities as well. So besides that, there is nothing to install. Of course, you need to paste your code onto your website, and it will work with any of the website platforms that you may be using currently, whether it's WordPress or Drupal, Magento, PrestaShop, Joomla. Now, the bonuses that you get with AnalyticsTiger during the launch period is VSL template as the first bonus. Bonus number 2 is a drag and drop page builder. Bonus number 3 is the one-click video website builder, UltraVid. And I believe what they say here is definitely going to happen. That after the launch period, it is going to be a monthly plan for sure. There is no reason why they are not going to have it a monthly plan when all the others are. And for them to sustain this business, they would need to turn it into a monthly subscription model. Otherwise, it will not survive. And there is a 30-day, 100% satisfaction guaranteed money back plan. So feel free to take it for a test drive for 30 days and see how it works with your website. Let's go through the upsells. But before that, I just want to point out something about the front end. You can install it on 10 websites, and it only stores your visitor sessions for up to 30 days. Now, when you pick up the professional level, which is for $67, you can install it on unlimited sites, and the visitor sessions are kept for 365 days. And it also has team members feature if you have a team to collaborate. And next up is the AnalyticsTiger agency plan going for $67, which gives you the ability to add or create sub-accounts for unlimited clients and employees. And upgrade 3 is the AnalyticsTiger white label plan going for $197, where you get full reseller rights and you keep all the commissions from every sale throughout the funnel. So I hope that quick walkthrough of AnalyticsTiger has given you ideas on how you can put AnalyticsTiger to use on your website to track your visitors, to ethically spy on them, and determine how to convert them easier. Subscribe, click the bell icon, select all notifications. And once again, check out the bonuses that you shall receive when you pick up AnalyticsTiger through my link, and enjoy AnalyticsTiger.